Hello students, I am Mrs. Ganga Angure from Sant Tukaram National Model School, and today I am going to teach you a very important topic of English grammar. I know students, you all like stories, so let us have an introduction of our topic through a story. Today I am going to tell you a story of Bunty. This is Bunty. One day Bunty decided to go to the National Museum. So he went to the National Museum. At the National Museum, he saw different types of things like paintings, old coins and things made from the stones. But he noticed there a very strange thing which was looking like a time machine. So he went towards it and observed it. On it the name Tense was written. Further he noticed that it had a big screen and 3 buttons, and on those buttons some names were written. So he was reading those names. On the first button the name present was written. On the next button the name past was written, and on the last button the name future was written. As he was curious about these buttons, he decided to press it and see what happens. So first he pressed the button where the name past was written. When he pressed this button where the name past was written, machine was started. There was a big sound, and on the screen of that machine he could see something. He saw his own past. He saw on the screen of the machine that he was 1 year old. He was pampered by all. His mother and father also he could see on the screen. And Bunty became very happy. He was clapping, he was jumping because he could see his own past on the screen of the machine. As he was enjoying this, he decided to press other buttons also. Now he pressed the button where present was written. When he pressed this button where present was written, on the screen of the machine he could see his own present, means the actions which are happening now. He could see that he is 9 years old, he is in the museum and he is in front of the time machine and he is pressing the buttons of time machine. Next, what he did, as he was enjoying, he became very happy. He was jumping, he was clapping, and at last he decided to press the button where future was written, and he pressed the button where future was written, and on the screen of the machine he saw his own bright future. His bright future he could see on the screen of the machine. He was laughing, he became very happy as he saw on the screen of the machine that when he will become a 25 years old, he will become a doctor. He will have his own hospital. His mother and father, they will be proud of him. In this way, Bunty could see his bright future after pressing the button future. So students, you have seen Bunty, he saw one time machine whose name was Tense and it had 3 buttons, present, past and future. When he pressed the past button, he could see his own past. It means he could see the actions which are already happened, the situations which are already happened. When he pressed the button where present was written, he saw his present, means the actions which are happening now. And when he pressed the button where the name future was written, it means he saw his own future. What is it? What does it mean? It means he could see the actions which will happen in the future. In the same way, my dear students, in our English grammar also we have the topic tense. So let us learn in detail what is meant by tense and which are its three main types. So let us learn tense, its definition. Tenses are used to show when an action takes place, whether the action it is happening now, whether the action it is already happened, or whether the action will happen in the future. On this basis only tense it is divided into the three main types. So let us see which are its three main types. First of all, present tense. It is the first type of the tense. Next we will have past tense. This is the second type of the tense. And third we will have future tense. These are three main types of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. Let us see what is meant by present tense. Let us have its first type. Its first type is present tense. What is the meaning of present tense? Present tense denotes an action that happens now. The actions which are happening now are expressed through present tense. Even the everyday actions, habitual actions are also expressed through the present tense. Let us have its examples. Our first example is he goes to school every day. This is everyday action and it is expressed through the present tense. Let us have next example. My parents go for a walk every evening. This is also everyday action and this is the example of present tense. Let us have next type of the tense, past tense. What is the definition of past tense? Past tense expresses an action that has already happened. The actions which are already happened are expressed through past tense. Let us have its example. First example is I played with my friends in school. What is the first example? I played with my friends in school. It means my playing it is already over. I played in the school. Action it is already completed in the past. So this is the example of past tense. Our next example is they went on a family picnic yesterday. When they went on a family picnic yesterday, this action it is also completed in the past. It is completed yesterday only. So this is also the example of past tense. Let us have the last type of tense and that is future tense. We have its definition. Future tense expresses an action that will occur or happen in the future. See, the action, future tense, it expresses an action which will happen after some time, which will happen in the future. The action which is not happen also and not happening also. It expresses an action which will happen in the future. Let us have its examples. Our first example is he will watch a movie on Friday. When he will watch a movie on Friday means action it will complete on Friday. So this is the example of future tense. Let us have another example. Rita will go to tennis practice at 4 o'clock. When she will go to the tennis practice? At 4 o'clock. This sentence also shows the action which is not completed and it will complete in the future. So both are the examples of future tense which are showing us the action which will complete in the future. So in this way, my dear students, we have learned today introduction of tense and its three main types. What are its three main types? Present tense, past tense and future tense. What is the meaning of present tense? Present tense shows actions which happen now. And past tense, its second type is past tense. What is the meaning of past tense? Past tense denotes an action that is already happened. And the last type is future tense. Future tense, it denotes an action that will happen in the future or after some time. In this way, we have learnt its three types. I hope you have understood tense and its three main types. Thank you and have a nice day.